so that we can get a good result. The preparation have been well. It's a wake-up call for our players because after winning the Homeboys game, they kind of relaxed. So we ended up losing in the league match, but hopefully we are going to make a comeback in the coming match, and hopefully we're going to do the things right to get the positive result to represent the badge of KCB. All we need is performance. So if we get a good performance, we are going to approach every game differently. So we have about 9 matches to go. So every game is like a final to us. So if we get a good result, then we'll be a good position. So long as we get our 3 points in our remaining matches, if we win consecutively, then I think we're going to have a good result.
Kesho tunaenda kugive our all. Na itakuwa Nzoia peke yake. Hizo zingine pia tutagive our all at least tuweze kumaliza at least mid table hapo itakuwa poa sana kwa target yetu number 5 na tuna believe tunaweza, so tunaenda ku work hard, extra hard kama wachezaji tuweze kumaliza position poa.